Alright, our vegetable stock has just about finished, so we're going to give that a final stir. Then we're going to move that off to the side. And we'll take our large pot and we'll heat up a tablespoon of oil. Right now we're going to start working with our meats, so I'm going to put this glove on. And we'll take our pork chop. I'm just going to trim off our fatty ends. And so the smaller we dice this, the quicker it'll cook. And so it is up to you how long you want to let this simmer for. You could conceivably leave just giant chunks and just let this sit on the stove and simmer for an hour or so. And then our bacon. Quickly dice this. And then finally, I'm going to go and take our chorizo sausage. I'm going to make a little incision here, separate the casing. And we'll peel this off. Remove that casing, and then we'll also just dice this up. And I'm going to leave this in bigger chunks than the bacon.